Hey guys, hey, it's Kim Flores. I have a new video for you. I just wanted to bring you a couple, maybe 2 or 3 different tips on how to actually make a little more money online. Probably before Christmas, because let's see, what is this? This is September, October, November, December. Yeah, you're only about 90 days away to the end of the year, so we're working hard to kind of get that kitty built up, right? So anyway, so what I wanted to share with you is a couple of places you might look for ideas or to strengthen up what you already have going for you. What you're looking at right now is actually my blog. I share a lot of inspirational motivational kind of things with you. You're more than welcome just to go check out, see what I've got. I do mostly digital business secrets, and that's pretty much what I'm all about, but I do have my hands in some other pies, if you know what I mean. But my bread and butter is digital business. Okay, online business, whatever you want to call it, internet marketing. I have tips and tricks and everything else like that there. But say for instance right now you need to make some money before that time period, correct? Are you starting with a good mindset? If you're saying that I am so broke I can't pay attention, well, guess what? The internet is going to feed you from what your thoughts you put out. The internet is going to show you more of what you've spoken. Okay, so as you're cruising around online, if you're saying you're broke, well, guess what? It's going to keep reminding you that you're broke. Okay, the internet, okay, is the big cloud, right? Okay, as you speak, in the Bible it says, my words are spirit, my words are life, and you're bringing life into existence by speaking it, because by speaking it, you're taking your thought and actually putting it out there, right? So just a FYI, that's your mindset, okay? But if you're saying I am full and I am blessed and I am just so blessed with abundance, I can't contain it all. Same thing, you put that out there. The spirit, the words are spirit, the words are life. So put them out there, okay? You want the good spirits, you don't want the negative spirits, right? So put the right spirits out there for you to work, okay? So that you're putting them out there in the ether, if you will, okay? So kind of got off on a tangent there, but anyway, that's what I'm passionate about, is actually kind of getting your mindset right in order to receive the abundance that you're putting out there to come back to you. Because if you're not ready to receive it, it's just going to bounce off you, right? You have to be receiving in a good sense, okay? So you have to, like a gardener, you have to work your ground in order to put your seeds in, right? The seeds won't germinate if they're just sitting there on top of this hard ground, right? So you gotta dig a little bit in order to get that seed a good root, right? So there's another tangent, I'm sorry, but anyway, quick and easy, come on over to my blog. It's KimberlyFloresOnline.com, and see if there's something there that might help you a little bit, because I've got quite a few blog posts there that have helped quite a few people. Leave me a comment on some of them if you want. But anyway, okay, let's get into the meat and the potatoes of this here. You can always go to Google Trends. That's trends.google.com, whatever, and pull up whatever country you happen to be in, okay, and type in whatever it is that you might be looking for. For instance, make money from home or something like that. Anything, Google Trends will come back and tell you what's going on with that. Any term that you put in there, right? So and it'll give you a graph here. The graph will show you the interest over time and how many if it's actually something that is being looked at, right? So and who's looking for it? Okay. There's a lot of people. I mean, in this particular, let's see what the time frame is. Past 12 months, right? You can probably scale that down to the last 30 days, for instance. Okay. It seems to be trending upward. Alaska, folks, if you're in Alaska, can I talk to you, please? Let's talk. All right, we got to have a chat, right? So anyway, but guys, I think you get the idea. All right, you just plug in whatever term you're looking for, okay, and you know, play around with it. You know, that's Google Trends, okay. At the same time, you can actually go to Google itself and say make money. Oops. Come on. See what comes up. Okay. And in that, you know, it depends on how your settings are. I've got an extension. I've got keywords everywhere, and it tells me, you know, the trends of that. That's what this is right here. It's an extension for Chrome. But anyway, you can look at this and see if there's some ideas there that might spark something in you. Okay. Check that out. Just go to Google and search up whatever you're looking for. The trends, if you're looking for something to sell, for instance, you know, you can plug in a product name or whatever, that's something that you make or whatever. Okay. But I'm going to let you play with that. So what I have also, you've heard of multiple streams of income, correct? So with that, if you put all your eggs in one basket, say for instance, okay, you've got a 9-to-5 job, you've got a regular day job, night job, whatever, your main employment, okay, you work for somebody else, okay, and it takes up a lot of your time, okay, that is one stream of income, right? Say for instance, on the weekends you mow lawns. You know, you probably go to, you know, neighbors, whatever. I mean, this is just hypothetical. And you mow people's lawn. Okay, so that's a second income stream, right? So what if you decide to do, you sell books or whatever on Craigslist? Okay, and that brings in, you know, sporadic whatever income. That's 3, right? So you kind of get the idea. Okay, so you've got your regular employment, but don't you want to add something that's online that would work for you without you being physically there? Okay, now I might want to clarify that, because if you're physically there working a home business online, you personally have to physically be there, unless you've outsourced some of that work to what they call a virtual assistant, which is an assistant that will do a lot of, for instance, social media posts, stuff like that for you, and they're, you know, they're not in your home office, right? So I don't know why I decided to go off on that. But anyway, one thing also that's kind of up and coming, and you're probably going to see a lot of this before the end of the year, is Forex trading, right? So if you do, what the heck is Forex? All right. Forex stands for, it is foreign exchange, or FX, okay? And as you can see, the interest is really jumped right here. See this keyword right here, the keywords everywhere? It has really jumped. Why is that? Because, I'm going to let you in on a secret here in a minute, but because it is a source of income. It's another income stream to add to your holdings, so to speak. You know, you have your regular employment, or say for instance you don't have a job and you're looking for something. Okay, a lot of people have made quite a significant income with Forex trading, and me myself, I found a source that teaches you with live trading sessions and whatever, and they go over and over with little things to teach you what to look out for, where to place certain without giving it away. I don't want to give you too much information, because if you're still looking and you don't even know what Forex is, the best thing to do, guys, is to come over here. I'm going to drop a link down in the below. This is a source that I found. They'll actually teach you how to do Forex trading. Okay, now if you're wanting to learn and wanting to get in there and get your hands dirty and start making a little bit of more information, income on your own, or you could actually, if you got friends and family or whatever, other people that you want to jump in on with this, okay, they've got this is a thing here. As you saw the trend right here, okay, as you saw, it's really getting a lot of interest, so you want to learn how to do it. So they've got a cool platform going on here where you can learn how to do the trading on whatever. You can gold, silver, metals, you can do oil, you can do different, the S&Ps, you can do the New York stock. I mean, they'll teach you how to, like, for instance, do a day trading, or do a there's other platforms, there's other ways of doing it too. So anyway, guys, I don't want to dwell too much on that, but there's also something that I want to share with you. It's a freebie today, and I'm also going to leave that link in the video. You can learn how to do this in 30 minutes a day. So guys, I'm going to leave that link. I just wanted to make this quick and easy. Hopefully this helped you some, and just go ahead and explore on your own. If I can help you any, just hit me up, reply back, or leave me a comment or whatever, and I'm hoping that I can help you out. Okay, if I don't know, I'll find out. All right, so that's what I am all about, and I am going to leave you with that. This is Kim Flores, and upward and onward, guys.